Hi everyone, today we're going to walk you through the process of deleting your account in Brevo. First, start by clicking on your profile icon or your name located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This section allows you to manage your account preferences and configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on General section, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Close Your Account. Click on Close Your Account. This action will prompt a confirmation process. You'll then see a message asking if you are sure you want to close your organization. This step ensures you have a chance to reconsider your decision. Click on Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with closing your account. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to back up any important data before you proceed, as this action cannot be undone. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Brevo support. That's it, your Brevo account is now deleted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.